Hey guys, a very good evening and welcome to our channel. So as you know that the online registration and form filling and pin generation of Gujarat State Counselling for NEET has been started earlier itself. For that you need to visit the website www.medadmgujarat.org. As soon as you open the website, this interface will appear and then log in and then you under undergraduate admission you need to click on the first option, that is medical, dental, ayurvedic and homeopathic. As soon as you click on that uh, link, the following interface will appear. So you can see that it has so many links of new notices. So as you scroll down the page, you will get uh, the last option as list of documents required for admission process of ACPUGMEC, that is for Gujarat Counselling. What are the documents required? So here I will be telling you all the documents required one by one. So the first document required is the mark sheet of 10th and 12th standard. So you have to take your mark sheet. It is one of the most important document. The second document is your NEET UG scorecard. The third document is proof of your birthplace. For that you can either take your school living certificate or your transfer certificate or your birth certificate or Indian passport. Any one of these four options will be considered. The next is proof of birth date. So for proof of birth date, you can either take your school living certificate, transfer certificate, birth certificate, Indian passport or your 10th standard mark sheet. So this were your four documents. First was 10th and 12th mark sheet, NEET UG scorecard, then a proof of your birthplace, and the fourth was proof of your birth date. Then comes the fifth document, and the fifth document is for those candidates who belong to Gujarat but they were born outside Gujarat. For them it is necessary to take domicile certificate, and that domicile certificate should be issued by the government of Gujarat. The sixth document is for the category students. So SC/ST candidates need to take their category certificate. Same is for SC/BC candidate, that is OBC candidate. Then EWS category students should also take their certificate. Similarly, the students belonging to PWD category, okay, the physically handicapped candidates, even they need to take their category certificates. So I again repeat, the fifth document was for the students who were born out of Gujarat. They need to form their domicile certificate and that should be issued from the government of Gujarat. Then the sixth document is to be produced by all those students who belong to different categories like SC/ST category or OBC category or EWS candidate or the physically challenged candidate. The next is the people who belong to Ahmedabad or the local candidates of Surat. Even they need to produce a particular certificate so that you can check it out. Then comes the other documents, which includes the candidates who belong to OCI category. They need to produce a OCI card that is to be issued by the government of India, central government of India. Then certificate of physical fitness, and even they need to produce a certificate, and even the sons and daughters of defense personnel have to issue a domicile certificate of defense personnel, and that is to be issued by government of Gujarat. And they also need to produce bona fide certificate issued by competent authority. So this was the list of all the documents that you need to have during Gujarat State Counselling. So with this note, here I end this video. Now if you have any doubt or any more queries, you can comment down below, and if we have and if we could help you in any ways, we will surely do. Thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel.